Lots of teachers prefer to use a letter code when recording their student data, and it's really handy to be able to set up your sheet so that different codes will automatically generate different color backgrounds in the cells or even different color fonts. This is an example of a letter code that a teacher might like to use. And I'll show you how to set it up so that anytime you type in NY, you'll get a red background and so on for each of these different codes. I'm going to click and drag to select all the cells that will contain these letter codes or my data. And in the home ribbon, I'm going to the conditional formatting button, and I'll be using highlight cells rules. And I'm going to choose text that contains. I'm going to set my caps lock and type in WW, and I'm going to set up what I want my WOW button or WOW cell to look like. I don't care for any of the prefabricated choices, so I'm going to custom format, and I want to fill the cell with a bright red. That was my decision earlier. I would also like the font to be white so it'll stand out, and I want the font also to be bold and italicized so it will really be clear. And I'll click OK and OK again. While I have all my cells selected, I'm going to repeat those steps for the other codes: conditional formatting, highlight cells rules, text that contains, and I'll set it up for GW. I got it well code, and I want it to fill in bright green, and I want the font to be bold, and black is okay. Conditional formatting, highlight cells rules, text that contains a J. We'll get a soft green fill. That one looks good. And a bold font. And it's the same steps again for nearly there. I'm not going to bold that font. I'll fill with a soft red. And finally, for my not yet, a bright red fill. And now it's set up. So if I type in not yet, nearly there, just got it well, or wow, like, uh-oh, what do you do when you've made a mistake? Easy to fix. I reselected my cells. I'll go back to conditional formatting and manage the rules I've made already. I've chosen the wrong color for wow, so I'll click on this rule and choose to edit it. I want to edit the format, and I want my wow to be dark green. I'll apply that change, and you can see it's already in action. Not yet, nearly there, just got it well, and wow. A finished result would look something like that. It's very easy now to see students that are struggling and particular pieces of outcomes that might need to be revisited in warm-ups or anchors. Hope that was helpful.